There are many such trees and plants in the Himalayan forest which are unique in themselves. Such trees and plants are not found anywhere else. The fruits and flowers growing on them are different from everyone else. The fruits growing on them are so sweet and aromatic that no one can live without eating them. There was one such tree on the river bank on which all the monkeys used to live with their king. The name of the king of monkeys was Mahakapi. Mahakapi was very intelligent and knowledgeable. Mahakapi had ordered that no fruit should ever be left on that tree. As soon as the fruit was about to ripen, the monkeys would eat it. Mahakapi believed that if a ripe fruit broke and reached a human being through the river, it could be very harmful for them. All the monkeys agreed with Mahakapi and followed his orders, but one day, a ripe fruit fell into the river, which was hidden among the leaves. That fruit flowed down the river and reached a place where a king was roaming with his queens. The fragrance of the fruit was so good that the queens closed their eyes in bliss. The king also became fascinated by this fragrance. When the king looked around, he saw fruits floating in the river. The king picked it up and gave it to his soldiers and said, "Let someone eat it and see what kind of fruit it is." A soldier ate that fruit and said that it was very sweet. After this, the king also ate that fruit and became happy. He ordered his soldiers to find the tree from where this fruit came. After much effort, the king's soldiers found the tree. He saw that beautiful tree on the river bank. There were many monkeys sitting on it. The soldiers did not like this and started killing the monkeys one by one. Seeing the monkeys injured, the great ape acted wisely. He placed a bamboo stick between the tree and the hill like a bridge. Mahakapi ordered all the monkeys to leave the tree and go to the other side of the hill. The monkeys followed Mahakapi's orders and they all reached the other side of the hill with the help of bamboo, but during this time, the frightened monkeys crushed Mahakapi badly. The soldiers immediately went to the king and told him the whole story. The king was very pleased with Mahakapi's bravery and ordered the soldiers to immediately bring Mahakapi to the palace and get him treated. The soldiers did the same, but by the time Mahakapi was brought to the palace, he was dead. Lesson from the story: bravery and wisdom give us a place in the pages of history. Apart from this, we also learn from the story that one should act wisely in every difficult time.